In the ocean's depths, creatures adapt in mysterious ways. A fish spoke to a glowing jellyfish. "How do you shine so brightly?" The jellyfish replied, "In darkness, I create my own light." Nearby, a squid changed colors, whispering, "I hide in plain sight." A crab with oversized claws said, "I grow what I need to survive." Each creature faced challenges, yet thrived through unique adaptations. Their resilience inspired others, teaching that embracing one's differences can lead to survival and success. Like, comment, and subscribe for more stories like this.